And today is my buddy James Hatfield, the famous guy from the lead singer of Metallica. Like I joked before, no, that's James Hetfield. This is James Hatfield, even more important, the CRO of LiveSwitch, who was on the show a while back called Race to the Face. So if you haven't listened to that, go back and jump on to anywhere you stream audio or YouTube and check that episode out. And alongside him, he brought his friend, Eric Muelken. I'm probably going to kill that last name here. He'll pronounce it better when he gets on the show. Eric came up through the roofing and restoration operations, project manager, senior project manager, all the way up to VP of National Multifamily Accounts before founding BreakPoint Consulting, where he now helps contractors break into and scale within multifamily, commercial, and HOA markets. He's also someone who's seeing LiveSwitch work in real live yield conditions. Today, we're not just going to talk about concept, we're talking about proof. So let's get into it. Help me welcome Derek and James to the Restoration Rundown. Gentlemen, thank you for your time. I know you're both very busy guys. I appreciate you guys coming on here today.
I appreciate you having us.
And if you guys are wondering, if you're watching this on YouTube, James is the guy with the gnarly beard. Derek is the guy with the clean shaven face. Just got out of the gym, as you can tell from the video. And if you're listening to this on audio, you got to check out James's beard. It's sick.
Yeah, I didn't come out the gym. You didn't talk about my bony body.
Well, dude, you got a baggy shirt on. It's hard to tell.